Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can mirror your clips in CapCut PC easily. So for instance, we're just going to add one image and I'm going to copy paste. And for the second clip, I'm going to mirror. So how to it's so simple. It's so easy, just click a mirror button right here. You can see this is the first clip and second clip. You can select the clips and copy paste. And you can see, and you can also add the effect and yeah, anything you like available here. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.